San Francisco in the Soma district, south of Market, to look for a food truck. Now, I hear these guys are doing a cross between Filipino and Latin American cuisine. You never know where they're gonna be, so you gotta check them out on their website. And I found them. This is Senor Sisig.
This is pork sisig fries.
I love the way the pork tastes.
Back in 2010, they started mixing Mexican with, get this, a sour pork Filipino dish called sisig.
Filipino food is something that people are trying to get acquainted to. Not many people know about it, and Senor Sisig is doing a great job introducing it to the general public.
And this basket of spicy chicken goodness
Adobo buffalo wings.
gives another dose of Filipino flair.
It's very reminiscent of what we used to have at home.
Adobo is a Filipino dish?
Yeah, chicken adobo.
Fired up.
Got your chicken, drumettes, and wings, soy sauce,
Sugarcane vinegar?
sugarcane vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, crushed peppercorn, a little
some
bit
salt.
of salt. Yeah, mix it all up.
How long is that gonna marinate?
About 5 hours.
You marinate them, then how you gonna cook them?
So usually I hard bake them halfway.
Okay.
Just so I don't burn all that soy sauce in the deep fryer.
Right.
Holds in a lot of that flavor.
And then what kind of sauce we put on the outside?
We're doing a Adobo-Glazed. All right, we got the olive oil. Coat that pan up. Garlic, peppercorn.
You and your bay leaf.
Bay leaves. Let's get all those flavors out. Soy sauce. Sugarcane vinegar. Got some chipotle peppers. Ketchup. Yep. Honey for that sweetness. Brown sugar. Cayenne pepper. Red chili flakes. Worcestershire sauce. A little salt. Cook this out for about 15-20 minutes just so you can get all those flavors in.
Got a little cornstarch slurry.
A little slurry to thicken it up.
That'll help tighten it up.
And got some water just to balance it out. Let that boil, probably come together. Now we're gonna throw these shrimp chips in the fryer. 15 seconds, 350 degrees.
And they're
just gonna pop up. So once they're,
oh!
That's
This is
it.
like Mad Ninja skills.
All right, we got a seasoning right here. While still hot, so it soaks it right up. All right, put these down as a bed for our wings.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take our wings,
Nice and crispy.
take our Adobo-Glazed, squirt them in there. Now we're just gonna toss them up. Little sesame seeds. Finish off with a little green onion lemon zest garnish. There you go.
I can't figure out the flavor. All of a sudden I got soy sauce. Now I get chipotle. Now I get a little bit of the garlic. And I get sweet.
Yeah.
The wings are cooked perfectly. Little big wings. Great crust to them. And the shrimp chips as accompaniment. Right on.
For sure.
Not too sweet, not too spicy, not Asian, not Mexican. Just Senor Sisig.
Yeah.
Nice to
right
do,
on.
my friend.
Adobo buffalo wings.
The glaze on the wings is sweet and spicy all at the same time.
Just one of the most flavorful menu items that they have. Got to run out and get it.
Good looking out.
Right on.
We take care of business.
Right on.
Watch out for these characters.